Good afternoon, 6 o'clock UK time on Thursday. Hi everyone, Shane again, update on some cryptos. Before I do that, quickly look at gold, 4-hour charts. Okay, so gold looks like it might have finally finished the top here at 1800, close to it, and hopefully it's going to do a drop now. I really would like to see this a big drop so we can buy lower down. Same for oil. It did a nice move down. Now it's going to do a bit of a retracement, which should give me another entry for a short sell going down, and then we can buy from the low price again. Okay, Bitcoin, cryptos looking like this. So we've got our 1, 2, 3, 4 still panning out perfectly on the Bitcoin triangle. So we still have our A, B, C, D, E, and it broke. Look at that, came down, broke that triangle perfectly. Now it's done a nice retrace and it should continue down. Now, what are the situations? Okay, so if we have, like I said, the 1, 2, 3, and this is wave 4, so we've got a, oops, this thing's not drawing. If we have our A, B, C, D, E wave finished, broken out, which is a good thing, retraced, which is common, and now hopefully we'll go and meet this area for a buy opportunity. So that will be the perfect scenario following this pattern. Again, guys, this is crypto. We never know when this thing will turn. So this thing could just decide to turn right here. But in our ideal world, this pattern means one more push to the low, at least break this low down here at 51,000, and then it's a good buy area. Look at Ethereum. I don't want to talk about Ethereum. It's hurting my feelings right now because remember I expected 1, 2, 3 down, 1, 2, 3 up, and then another drop. Well, today was on steroids. It just went up and up and up and hasn't stopped. It has actually gone and broken the 2,600 high. So the last high was just over here. It's got a new high, shall I say, of just over 2,600. Ideally, we should have a correction here now before it can do anything else. But yeah, this one is very strong today. If I look at Litecoin, Litecoin is also starting to do the same thing almost. So at the moment that triangle didn't pan out, it actually broke above it and has done that now. So which means the triangle is now turning into, could be a flat situation like this. So we still got our 1, 2, 3 down, 3 sideways, 1, 2, 3 down. That would be ideal. If this happens, as long as we stay below that level, what is that? That is just under 300. As long as the wave 4 doesn't go in there, this could still be a 3, a 4, and a 5. Or 3 down, 3 sideways, and 3 down. Either way, there is our buy opportunity for Litecoin. So pity, unfortunately, Ethereum just gone without us. But maybe we'll get a new blower down and then we can get in. Okay, and our favorite or flavor of the month is obviously Ripple. Ripple perfectly 1, 2, 3, and this triangle is perfectly playing at A, B, C, gamma 3 wave D. It's now building the wave E. So again, in our ideal world, this should now at this level or just below it break down and touch the $1 or even between 85 cents. So my range is still there. I haven't changed a thing. Between 85 and $1. Guys, I don't know if we'll ever see this again at this level. So when it gets down here, I suggest, or I would, that I'm going to be buying big time into the Ripple XRP. Now, being crypto, of course, this thing can be a bugger and it can just do all sorts of things and then just decide to go, especially when it's breaking out of this channel line we've got now. If it does that, well, we'll have to wait for it to do that and do something like this and then carry on up. But that's not confirmed yet. We have to see what happens in the next few hours. It needs to stay below 138. Let me go to 1 hour, see if I can see it. So 1 hour. So we need to stay below, what is this, 1420-ish, around about that area. As long as we stay below that, we are still perfectly doing this triangle. At this moment, 10 minutes to go before the hour closes, this candle is going up very, very strong. So two things happening here. This thing can go up very strong, thinking everyone that's going to go up and up and up, or it's just getting rid of the last weak hands, and then it drops before the big up. But if this thing breaks this line now at 143 area, 143, let me just look here. C is at 146. So if we, let me draw my line there, it cannot break that line there, which is 146. E cannot go over wave C. It has to stay below wave C. So at the moment, it's still valid. If it turns down now, then this is going to be a very, very good buy opportunity for us tomorrow or next day when it comes down to the $1.85 area. Guys, if this has come down, please buy it. If it shoots up now, it's a pity. Then we'll just have to wait for it to stop, do a correction, and then we can get in. But this will only be confirmed if this stays below that area. Okay. Thank you and good luck.